Oh, hello there. This is probably going to fail. I don't think I've got enough torque. Something could blow up, there could be smoke. These mounts may come out because they're barely even in with these screws. There might not be enough torque. Hey, roll the dice. Let's see how we go. First try. Power's on. Nothing blew up. I don't think that one is working. So 3 out of my 4 seem to be turning. And of course it's number 1 that is not playing nicely. There's your problem. Let's fix that. She's a bit noisy. I'm just pressing the up button here. But this noise will go away once I tighten everything properly. But I mean, yeah, like I said, those screws aren't really in, but it works. Will it work? Yeah, you can see this just needs to come down more. Anyway, troubleshooting and some more fine tuning, and I think we're good. Bye.